Okay, this is short exercise 8-2 that shows you how to determine which pricing approach to use and then walks through the analysis. And this is winter sports. They operate a Rocky Mountain ski resort. They're planning their lift ticket pricing for the coming season, and the investors would like to earn a 15% return on the company's $100 million of assets. Okay, so you would look at the total assets are $100 million times the desired return, 15%. The company incurs primarily fixed costs for the whole operation, which are $33,750,000. They've got 750,000 customers, and variable costs are $10 per guest. So then they've got this last line here that says, currently, the resort has such a favorable reputation among skiers and snowboarders that it has some control over the lift ticket prices. Would winter sports emphasize target pricing or cost plus pricing, and why? Okay, so I put down all of our assumptions here. For me, it's better to put things in a table than to try to keep sifting through a paragraph for it. So here's our target profit. I understand this now. There are my fixed costs, number of guests, and my variable costs are $10 per person. You should always make that a dollar sign. Okay, now currently the resort has such a favorable reputation, therefore they are a price setter. Okay, they don't have to worry about competition because, you know, it's a special hill, special price, they've got great snow, something like that. And here's a larger explanation. It's been able to differentiate its ski resort from others in the area. Because of its favorable reputation, managers will have some control over pricing. Of course, they still have to see if it's within the range, okay? You can't just name anything you want or you won't have anybody. Okay, then finally, the big question, what price should they charge? And what I'd like you to look at here is the order of the calculation. Okay, it's a little bit tricky. We're going to start out with the costs here. Okay, so just think this is cost plus pricing. So it's going to be cost plus desired profit. Okay, our fixed costs are $33,750,000. Our variable costs plus our variable costs are $750,000 times $10 per person, or $7,500,000, for a total cost of $41,250. Now you add the desired profit. Desired profit is $100 million times 15%, that's $15 million. So we need to earn $56,250,000. Okay, if I take this and divide this by my number of skiers and my customers, I get a price per lift ticket of $75. Okay, so the other resorts are selling for $65. You know, they might be able to charge $75 and you know, get away with it. Okay. The other change, let's say they had to charge $70 and not $75, so you'd have to decrease your costs, and they'd have to really go through maybe their variable costs or some of their fixed costs and see what they could cut out. Okay. I hope you're trying these by yourself first before you listen to or look up the solution. Okay.